Hello there. This is a short video as an instruction to show you how to fit a foam seal to a Sebo X series. The reason I'm making it is we sell quite a lot of these foam seals to people, and it's the little seal that stops the shrieking and whistling noise near where the hose goes into the main body. But we do get a lot of emails from people trying to tell us that we've sent them the wrong seal because it doesn't fit where they think it should fit, and obviously we haven't sent you the wrong seal. So we're making this video to show you exactly how to fit this seal and where it goes. So if you send us an email saying you've sent us the wrong seal, we're going to send you to this video. It goes in here like it tells you on the product listing. This is the little foam seal, but it isn't the rubber one that's there. And our chap now is going to show you exactly where it goes and the differences between different X machines that will help you fit it. Now these look a little bit scruffy because this one's a customer's machine that's actually in here having a seal. I just want to show you these two versions of the bodies. There's the later one, and the screws you're going to see are here and here. Those are the two screws on a later X4 or an X7 that you'll need to undo to change the seal. On an early machine like this one, there's just the one screw up here. So that's the only difference, but I need to show it you before you watch the job being done. So that's the seal. This is the location where it's going, and here's how you do it. Off with the hose. Release the hose clip. There. This is the version with one screw. So whether you want to do one or two screws depends on which body you've got here. This twists, and the seal, as you can see, is falling to pieces in there. The seal sits around here. There's the new seal on. It locates and then twists into place like that. Do your screw or screws back up, reconnect your hose clip, and that is all there is to it. If you think you need the rubber seal that's on here, you probably don't, but we sell those as well, because it is usually that foam one there that causes a machine to whistle. Okay, thanks for watching.